Hey everybody, Mike here. Welcome to the channel. Well, the reason that my ugly mug is not on the screen is because this video is not about me, it's about you. I wanted to extend an invite to all of you. So you might ask, well, an invite for what? Well, a while back I attended a conference for 3D artists, the ICE conference, right? And what I found listening to all of those speakers is that there's so much going on in the industry that you can't find in online groups. Almost every online group that I know of is about sharing your portfolio, sharing your latest project, or people looking to find an artist, right? What I don't see is groups about technological developments. What's going on with AI? How is that going to impact the industry? Behind the scenes stuff at movie productions, behind the scenes in the game industry, all that kind of stuff, right? So I contacted a whole bunch of people that were participating in that conference as a speaker, as a professor at a university, senior artists, producers, that kind of thing. And together with them, I started a simple online group. Now, what I wanted to do is to invite all of you to participate in that. I'll put a link below to that group. Obviously, it's free. And yeah, that will keep you in tune with what's going on, right? That's all I wanted to share in this quick video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. If you don't want to miss out on any future posts about this, make sure you hit that sub button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.